Businesses on Google Maps are losing customers every single day, simply because their online presence looks outdated. The surprising truth is, most of these businesses are more than willing to pay someone to fix these issues. Today, I'll show you how to leverage AI and Google Maps to start generating online income, even if you're a complete beginner. You can realistically start this side hustle in the next hour, transforming how local businesses attract customers. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show, where we explore innovative ways to build your financial future. This video provides a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to making money using the powerful combination of Google Maps and AI. No prior experience is needed, and you won't require any initial investment to get started. We'll reveal a smart, repeatable system that anyone can follow to achieve success. Our first step is to identify businesses that are in dire need of your expertise. Begin by opening Google Maps and searching for various local businesses in your area. Focus on categories like coffee shops, dentists, salons, gyms, and repair stores. These types of businesses heavily rely on online visibility to attract new customers. However, many of them suffer from low-quality photos, inaccurate descriptions, or unoptimized profiles. These critical issues directly translate into lost revenue for them. This is precisely where your AI-assisted optimization service becomes invaluable. Now, let's define the specific service you will offer to these businesses. You will provide comprehensive Google Business Profile Optimization. This includes rewriting their business descriptions to be more engaging and informative. You'll also generate professional captions for their posts and clearly list their services. Additionally, you'll recommend better keywords to improve their search ranking. If needed, you can even create stunning AI-generated images to enhance their profile's visual appeal. Remarkably, all these tasks can be accomplished using AI tools in just a few minutes. Businesses are typically willing to pay anywhere from $20 to $150 for this valuable service. Now, let's dive into how you'll use AI to perform the actual work. Open ChatGPT and input a prompt such as, "Rewrite this business description to increase customer trust." Add keywords and keep it professional. Then, simply paste the business's current description directly from Google Maps. ChatGPT will instantly transform it into something 10 times better, more compelling, and optimized. Next, you can generate a list of optimized keywords to boost their search engine visibility. You can also create a short, catchy tagline and a clean, 750-character SEO description. Even a compelling post caption for their next social media update can be generated. Furthermore, utilize AI image tools to craft superior storefront photos or simple promotional graphics. This entire process takes less than 10 minutes per profile, offering incredible efficiency. Businesses appreciate this service because it makes their profiles look more attractive and professional. The next crucial step is learning how to effectively contact these businesses. You can reach out via email, through their website contact forms, or even Instagram direct messages. Keep your initial message concise and to the point. For example, "Hi, I noticed your Google business profile is missing updated descriptions and keywords. I create affordable optimization packages using AI, and I can improve your profile in under 24 hours. Want me to send you a free sample?" This simple approach is highly effective. Send them one rewritten description as proof of your skill and value. Many businesses will instantly recognize the improvement and hire you on the spot. Let's explore how you can consistently hit your goal of $100 per day. To achieve $100 daily, you only need to secure 2 to 3 clients each day. If you charge $40 for a full profile update, 2 clients will get you $80. Or, if you charge $60 for optimization plus captions, 2 clients will earn you $120. This makes hitting your $100 goal easily attainable and consistent. This is truly one of the simplest AI-powered side hustles available today. The demand for optimized Google business profiles is huge, yet almost no one is offering this specialized service. And that's exactly how you can use Google Maps and AI to build a consistent daily income. If you're eager for more beginner-friendly AI money methods, make sure to subscribe to the Bright Mind Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.